Hey there. Imagine if you could paint extraordinary paintings like these, even if you've never painted before. Well, actually, you can. I'm Jacqueline Coates, and this is my no-fail Blooms Painting workshop paintings that come out of my Blooms Painting workshops I teach regularly. Now, we haven't had as much opportunity sometimes over the last little while because of all sorts of interruptions that we've all been experiencing. But guess what? We've got a wonderful opportunity coming up. And between now and the end of January, I've got workshops in the Barossa. I've got it in Yandina on the Sunshine Coast. I'm coming up there. I'm coming to Sydney. I'm coming to Melbourne in Glen Iris, and I'm coming to Victoria Park in Perth. So I'm super excited with all of these venues. They're all fantastic places to paint, and we're going to have an awesome time. So this is an acrylic painting workshop for those of you who haven't worked with me before. And I've originated this method and I've been teaching it for over 20 years. I've actually taught thousands of people. I actually teach online as well. And I'm known as a compassionate go-to art teacher. And I'm teaching a system of painting that anyone can apply. In my 4-day Blooms workshop, we paint 2 stunning canvases. We choose from peonies, roses, poppies, tulips, cherries, pears, gosh, so many amazing flowers. You have such an array to choose from, loads of different colorways, so that you'll be sure, probably one of the hardest decisions is choosing what you'll paint. And we do 2 paintings in 4 days. Now, you might think, oh, I'd love to do that, but I would never be able to do that. Well, you don't even have to be able to draw stick figures to do this workshop. I have made it so simple. You don't need any drawing skills. You don't even need to know how to handle a paintbrush or which end of the paintbrush to use, because I show you everything from scratch. I've actually got a Blooms paintbrush license, so I actually show you how to pick up the paint, how to handle the paint, how much moisture to have on the brush, how to blend, and all those things. That means that when you go to the canvas, you're actually already confident. And I see the difference this makes for people since I've introduced this. I've been teaching for over 20 years, and this is no fail. You just need to turn up and trust me. I supply all your art supplies. We do catering for you as well. So it's actually a really wonderful experience. You're really nurtured through this, and to get in contact with your creativity. Now, even if you've painted before and you're feeling a bit rusty, perhaps you're not feeling great about the way your paint's going down, this will sort out all your painting bugbears too. So I hope you'll come and give it a go. This is a great way to get your creativity sorted out in the very, very early part of 2022 or even before, and to have 2 stunning paintings on the wall that your friends are going to say, that is awesome. I always knew you were so creative. So give yourself the creative acknowledgement you need. Give yourself some time to spend with this part of yourself that you know that you're itching to be with. All this gorgeous color, all these gorgeous textures, the layering of color. It is very immersive. It's very enjoyable to do. And I know you're going to meet awesome people. All my customers that come are just great. And we have so much fun. So Love and Paintbrushes, check it out at the link and see what you think. And I hope to see you in class and get you rebooted. It'll be blooming fabulous. Blooms Painting workshops with Jacqueline Coates between now and the end of January across the country. Don't miss out.